The white-winged dove is now a breeding resident in San Diego desert communities. The species movement north and west into the San Diego region began in the early 1900s when Imperial Valley irrigation and agriculture started. These doves' home range was northern and central Mexico. Over time, the bird's range has extended over the southern boundaries of the U.S. to include Florida, Texas, Arizona, and now Southern California. This dove is more robust than its common cousin, the mourning dove. It's larger, heavier, and has a longer wingspan. The call of the two species is similar, however the mourning dove's coo is softer. You can tell one from the other if you hear them distinctly and close together. The distinctive white line under the folded wing, the blue eye ring on the adult, and the black and white arched tail feathers are features for identification. The birds do need to drink a lot of water, yet they live in desert areas. In the San Diego region, breeding and year-round living is taking place in the desert oases and farming areas. Borrego Springs, Vallecito Valley, Agua Caliente, and Imperial Valley now have permanent resident populations. Additionally, other birds of the same species migrate from the south and east into the Salton Sea in April and leave in August. The birds will start their breeding cycle in December with their first eggs in the nests in January. The end of the cycle or the last fledge will be in August. In some areas, there will be as many as 6 broods of 2 chicks in a year. These birds are low on the food chain, and predation from the ground by snakes, coyotes, and rodents, and from the air by crows, raptors, and jays, takes about half of the annual population each year. Hunting is big business, grossing millions of dollars. This accounts for an additional loss of population. There are states that manage the game population to protect their economic interests. States, the federal government, and Mexico list the species under the Species Conservation Acts as a species of no concern. This is the lowest level of threat to the species' survival. The white-wing groups in huge numbers and can devastate grain crops. In Mexico, the summer gatherings of thousands of doves that eat the crops has given this species the name La Pelaga, the plague, the white-winged dove.